Hello students, welcome to the program Bachelor of Science 3rd year in subject Botany, semester 6, and the course code is BOD105, course title Nursery and Gardening. So we are studying today Unit 4, that is Gardening. Module name is Computer Application in Landscaping. I am Ms. Pranjali Mahindra Gaonkar, Assistant Professor in Botany at Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce, KPM. Welcome you all for this module. Outline of my presentation is uses of computer application in landscaping and aspects of computer-aided landscaping and designing. At the end of this module, you will understand and elucidate upon the different features of computer application in landscaping, explain in details the effective use of computer applications in landscape designing. Introduction. Landscaping refers to treatment given to a piece of land in order to make it attractive, beautiful, and aesthetically useful. It beautifies an area, adds calmness and freshness to the surrounding, and increases the property value. It is important for offices, residences, educational institutes, supermarkets, etc. It also offers a place to relax and enjoy the nature's beauty and is primarily used for aesthetic purpose and refreshing of mind. Computer applications, they are tools that use information technology, that is IT, in formulating garden or landscape design. Basically, they act in giving two-dimensional or three-dimensional models of the design landscape. Using these applications is an industrial art which has wide scope in industry of landscaping and landscape architecture. What is the purpose of using this application? So they are very quick, practical solutions for landscapers' imperative needs. They are accurate and efficient, gives a wide scope for testing and evaluating of designs, and they even cause very less errors. What are the special features of computer applications? Presents the output to the customer or the owner, so the one who is in need of the output of that design gets it in a quick manner. Provides facilities or modifying, inserting and saving the designs. So whatever is a proposed model can be always modified. Some things can be inserted into it and this design can be saved on the personal computer or the device which is used. Allows drawing of three-dimensional plants and create animations. So the models of the plants like the herbs, shrubs, trees, whatever are to be used in the landscaping of that area can be made by using three-dimensional drawings and an animation can be created of that landscape. Gives a real perception closer to reality before its implementation. That is, on the computer screen, we can really see how the landscape would look at the end of designing. Deliver a classic design plan with a border and side details plotted to the scale in double-click time, but the plan can include images illustrating designs, concept, and accurate counts of the type and number of species used in that design. So, as a whole, how the landscape would look like is given by using computer applications. Nextly, we see how computer application actually helping. They have modules or tutorials, a storyboard concept where they can plan out everything, a first detailed conceptual plan, a color 2D presentation plan for the client, a detailed species list with the information about the supplier, a 3D model, a construction plan complete with the dimensions of that landscape, a irrigation plan or how the water will be available in that landscape, lighting plan at night time, how the lighting would be done in that area, and plan printing, that is at the end how the plan will look on the paper. Next, examples of computer applications are AutoCAD, Flow Planner, Garden Planner, VR CAD system and Google SketchUp. There are more apart from these also, but these are very authentic and frequently used computer applications. Additional facilities which computer applications provide are trees and botanical library, where there are names of different plants, species, and details about the plant. The CAD software can convert CAD to GIS file extensions, that is, the Geographic Information System also is available there. Lighting stimulation, full study of plant growth, expected height, width, blooming seasons, and appropriate type of plants for the design project, and allows real-time simulation. Advantages of CAD: drawing errors can be rectified easily. Designs can be sent and received elsewhere quickly via e-tools, so sharing becomes quick. Design can be zoomed, copied, pasted for more detailed sections. Reuse of design can be done. Can be stored in personal computers. Can work 24 hours a day, so there is no time limit on working and designing. Design can be analyzed and optimized virtually using finite element analysis, reducing time scale and mistakes and reduce paper usage too. Disadvantages of CAD are: they are costly. A person who is using it requires IT skill and training. Unavailability of tools which are required. Sharing leads to computer hacking or copying. That means malpractices can happen when the designs are shared or when people work on their computers to design any landscape. References of this are Anupam T, Computer Aided Designing for Landscape Gardening, Landscape Design based on Computer Aided Designs, and web links are Autodesk. Thank you, students.